Welcome to Craft Today, and here we're going to create 7 in Infinite Craft. First up, we're going to combine 2 water elements to get a lake, which combined with earth creates swamp, which mixed with water gets us marsh. Then we're going to combine 2 earth elements together to create mountain, which mixed with lake will create fjord. Combine that with the mountain to get Norway, which mixed with fire creates Viking. We're also going to combine Norway with marsh to get marshmallow, which mixed with water creates s'more, which combined with Viking gets us s'more wreck. Combine that with Viking again to get Sven, and for the final step, combine mountain with Sven to create 7. That's how you make 7 in Infinite Craft. Hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel for more Infinite Craft videos.